ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Sorkar jela ka Raiwan Pyntreikam no ek college Ribhoi bad Haiz Garo Hills hapo unius nam arajar phosao. Hagaji karan bigla pathai ku bor umintri ke tanak puli buthi ka Sorkar jela urakam e sangma uriat ho beki building jagi dik atli ki degree college la de banchna kuwe hagashnong patar khama Ribhoi but kuwe yashnong rongjeng Haiz Garo Hills. Kajing mampala unpli pat ba klon nomor badang sa teng kajing ring yak bagi shnai ka surok bapinya so shikini ki atli ki college.
This year, the department has decided, since the building of both the degree colleges is almost completed. Of course, there's some work is still pending, like water connection and some the approach road, all things. But despite of all this, since the building is completed, the department and we are going ahead to make it operational, to functional from this academic session 2024 onwards. So of this, when the SSLC art stream will be out, and we are appointing the principal in charge immediately, and after the MCC is lifted, we will recruit all the necessary staff already sanctioned immediately after the MCC is over, and after 4th of June, and we will start functional from this academic itself. Kama Degree College and Rongzeng Degree College will be functional from this academic year 2020, and we are trying our best to start with immediately, and after when MCC is over, we will recruit all the necessary staff. That will start with me, but all the proposed and sanctioned posts will be recruited immediately after the MCC is over. We're having in the near future, but for this academic session, we will start with some Department of Art stream. I'm looking at all the scenario because the intake, students from the district also were looking at all these angles. So this year we will start from some department from the art stream only, and maybe in the near future it is what is to be done. And as per the NAP 2020, so we have to start all the department, but that will take some time. For the newly sanctioned post, including the principal, we will recruit all the press recruitment with a already approved departmental selection recruitment board. But however, since in the middle of the time now, after due process, we are appointing principal in charge from some already. We will give some in charge principal to some of the existing principal of the nearby institutions, government institutions. Look, now we are already, the process of, recruitment is almost completed. However, after the MCC is over, we will shortlist the applicants for Vice Chancellor post, and after due process, of course some technical issues still there, and we will sort it out soon. And after the MCC is over, we will let you know, and the shortlist is almost completed, and we will take the due process and will be completed soon. So no, the headquarters is in Tura, because the campus, but the Shillong campus will also be there at the same time. But however, so it looks like this academic session 2024 might not able to start with, because there are lots of the process to be followed. After the appointment of the Vice Chancellor, the register has to be appointed, the department has to be created, and the curriculum, the framework, the constitutions, all this board have to be constituted, and we have to lots of process to be followed. I think maybe it looks like in 2025 onwards we may able to take the admission for the postgraduate post and for courses in Captain Williamson Sangma State University. It depends on the institution's decision also. There may be some colleges which they will be affiliating to state university. There are many degree colleges will be affiliating to state university, and there are already many colleges already affiliated to Northeastern Hill University, which is a central university. So it may depend on the some colleges whether they will continue with the NEHU or they will affiliate with the state university. So we will decide later on whether we may give them optional or they will be affiliated to a state university. We will decide later on. Category, not much now, but in the Dengri, there are about 60 plus vacancies is there. What happened is because of roster system, this post was meant for Garo Khasi category. So, but practically this school some are Assamese mediums or Bengali medium where Garo and the Khasi when candidates not able to appoint it because of language medium of instruction. So we will re-advertise now after the MCC is over, and we will advertise for the same category, that means for Garo and Khasi category. If any Garo candidate, Khasi candidate have the language proficiency in Assamese and Bengali medium, they will be appointed. If not, the third time we will re-advertise again, where that will become unreserved, where all the non-troubles can be appointed there if there is no candidate from the particular category. And in a similar way, in South Kerala, about 30 plus vacancies there will be recruiting soon after the MCC is over. And in a similar way, in North Kerala, I've seen about 10 to 15 posts are still vacant because of some reserve category could not be filled in the last recruitment. I don't have data with discussions, details also. I will be, if once we get this only just now, will be. But as soon as we have the vacancies, we will recruit as soon as possible, so that no school should be left vacant.